Angibingelele bafethu ekuseni egameni likaJesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu bafethu ukuthi usigcinile, waba nathi waphinde wasinikeza olunye usuku lokuba siphinde siphile. Bafethu let us maximize the moment, because uNkulunkulu usinikeze bafethu inhlanhla engandele umuntu yokuba siphinde siphile. Ngaphandle kokumosha isikhathi, let us get straight ezweni lenkosi lanamhlanje bafethu kwabase-Efesu chapter 3 verse number 20 laphana ku-ASV version lithi-ke, now unto him that is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that work in us. Yena onamandla okwenza okungaphezulu kwalokho esicelayo nalokho esicabangayo ngokwamandla asebenza kithi. Bafethu, lo nkulunkulu lona yena ukwazi ukwenza okungaphezulu, kodwa ukwenza ngamandla awafake kithi. Ngamanye amazwi, the God that we are serving is trying to show us ukuthi the power that we go all over looking for, searching for, asking for, is the power that is in us, is the power that is being installed in us. In other words, ufana nomuntu ophethe ifoni ayinkosi yami, ucabanga ukuthi ayinazo izinto ezithile kanti awuyanga kuma settings. Laphana kuma settings kunezinto ezizofike zenze le phone yakho ibe yilento ofuna ukuthi ibe yiyo. Kodwa because you do not know and don't understand ukuthi you've got settings within you, kunama settings, kunendawo ekufanele uciphize okuyizona ezizokunikeza lento wena oyifunayo. God is able to do more than what we can think. Listen, little message, what we can think in our wildest dreams. In other words, God is able to go beyond that. But even though he is able to go beyond that, he goes beyond that through the power that is already installed in us. Ngamanye amazwi bafethu, lo nkulunkulu esimkhonzayo fanele kuhambe kufika isikhathi la indlela esimcabanga ngayo khona ishintsha, indlela esimbuka ngayo. uNkulunkulu akasifanele simfake engciphisweni, kodwa fanele simbeke ebuNkulunkulwini bakhe. Uma siza kuye asicabangi ngendlela yobuntu, kodwa uma siza kuye fanele sicabange ngendlela yobuNkulunkulu, the supernatural way of thinking. He is the God who is able to do exceedingly abundantly and above. uNkulunkulu bazalwane ukwazi ukwenza izinto ezingaphezulu kwalezi esicabangayo. uNkulunkulu othi umuza kuye uthi uzofuna indlu, athi no, I am here to give you a property, I am here to give you a land. Mawufika kuye uthi uzocela i-promotion, athi no, I am here to create business for you, I am here to give you a company. Mawufika kuye uthi uNkulunkulu susa lezi ikweleti kimi, athi uNkulunkulu no, I'm not here to remove debt, but I am here to satisfy your bank balance. Mawuza kuye uthi hayi uNkulunkulu ngifuna nje ukuba rich, athi no, I don't want to give you just riches, but I want you to give you blessings so that you will be a blessing to others. uNkulunkulu njalo bafethu ekufanele masiza kuye sicabange ngendlela ehlukile, masiza kuye simbone uNkulunkulu okwazi ukwenza izinto ezinkulu, ukuze mayesibuka sisemhlabeni athi naba abantu abangaziyo, naba abantu abazi ukuthi yini engikwazi ukuyenza. Akusho mina bafethu, kusho izwi likaNkulunkulu lithi he is able to do exceedingly, he is able to do abundantly, he is able to do above kuloko esicabangayo naloko esicelayo. Bafethu uNkulunkulu wethu is always there for every sickness, he is there for healing, for every quarrel he is there for peace, for every hate he is there for love, for every lack, every poverty uNkulunkulu wethu is there for prosperity. uNkulunkulu njalo bafethu, uNkulunkulu ofanele masiza kuye simcabange njengoNkulunkulu okwazi ukwenza izinto, singaze sigijimela igubhu bafethu, sigijimela inyanga siyothwala. Ebekhona uNkulunkulu othela ukwazi ukwenza izinto ezingaphezulu kwalezi ehlanyisa abantu asebethwele. That is the God that we are serving bafethu. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi siza kuye simqonda kahle manje ukuthi uNkulunkulu onjani. He is the God who will meet you according to his current riches, his current account, his current wealth. He is that God. Uma siza kuye bafethu, let us change our perspective and our way of thinking when we come to this God. May God bless you bafethu. We serve a supreme big God. We serve a wide God. The earth and the scientists cannot measure the kind of God we are serving. God bless you.